Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, braking assist, four-wheel disc brakes, power brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find security system, capless fuel filler system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.